Okay, so here's a dilemma I think sometimes you may come across. We got a window that is 21 inches wide, and we got an air conditioner that's a little bit wider than that with the side panels. So what do? All right, you measure from one side, fully collapsed. They're about 21 3/4. It's not going to fit, right? So here's what you do. You take off one side, right? So let's see, we take off this side. What we're going to do is measure from that collapsed panel to the edge of the air conditioner, right? And that's about 20 1/4. So that'll fit in the window. All right, once we take this side off. So just pick a side, whichever, and what you're going to do is just stuff the side that doesn't have the wing with a little foam. Not too sure if I have it, but we're going to get this in the window and see how it looks. So I'm going to take this side off. So as you see, basically I'm just going to take those two screws out. All right. One. Put that there, and let's take the second one out. Okay, we'll pull this out. Okay, so there you go. Hold on to that just in case you move or put it in a different window. And all right, so we're going to take this and put it in a window over here. As you see, I got the mount for safety, and let's see how this works. Okay, so got the air conditioner in the window. You got one panel on that side, pulled it over. This is right up against the frame. The back part is a little bit thicker, so that's why you see his face. So what I'm gonna do is gonna get some foam and throw some foam in there. And don't forget to stick some foam. When the window goes up, it loses its seal, so it's a good idea to get a little piece of foam in there. And then you can take some screws and put, you know, maybe a couple in the flange just to make sure it stays secure. And of course I have the brace underneath on the wall. It's a good idea to have that. And so there you go. So if this helped you out, appreciate it if you give a like, subscribe. I got a lot of great cool tips. Thanks for watching.